In this video by EBN Painting, we are working on a pool deck, and we start preparation work by moving gravel a few inches away from the deck. Next step is pressure washing. We disperse TSP with a plastic spray pump, and then using a broom that has medium stiffness bristles, we scrub the deck. With a pressure washer, we rinse off the chemicals. There are a couple of places around the edges of the pool deck where the concrete is chipped off, and we're going to repair those areas using Excel texture. We apply it with the putty knife, and we're using a piece of cardboard so that the repair material doesn't fall into the pool. There are also a few cracks and a few holes that we are going to use the same Excel texture to repair. We give repair material approximately 10 minutes to dry before using a wet sponge to blend it in. After we finished with repairs, we continue with painting. We begin by doing all the brush work around the edges. When the brush work is completed, we are using the roller to paint the remaining area. To eliminate roller marks, we are keeping a wet edge and painting only one small section at a time. On the patio there used to be metal fencing, and after it was removed there were a few holes that we had to fix. Right now the repair material is still wet, so we painted around the repaired areas, and we're gonna come back to it in a couple of hours to paint over when the repair material is completely dry. After the first coat of paint had the time to dry, we apply the second coat. And this is the look of the pool deck before we painted it and after.